Why does your scanner show the P0809 engine code? What does it mean? P0809 is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch position sensor A circuit intermittent. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM, also called the engine computer, is detecting inconsistent signals from the sensor that tells it whether the clutch is engaged or not. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective clutch position sensor. Misadjusted clutch position sensor. Wiring and connector issues. Faulty PCM ground strap. Failed PCM or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz and Ford Focus models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.